Hello my friends, Paul, listener and dear traders, how you are? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. So today gonna show you our team developers have made an awesome trading system. As you seen all guys and already posted in our groups. So let me show you. First of all, look here that our system told us market is going to buy, and we placed our trade from this point, crush 1000. From this point we entered, and also look here that RSI 14 period also told that market is going to buy, and that MACD also confirmed the uptrend. And look how this signal also I posted in my WhatsApp group, and look this buy, how many pips, 500 and some plus. Crush 1000 trading using this system. And look here that the boom 500 trades, that one is buy and the second buy. Look here, once we seen this signal here, the MACD and the RSI confirmation, we enter this trade, and look how many pips. And also that feeble level gives direction and instruction to take this trade how long. Look here, this is the feeble levels, and this is very awesome feeble level because this is calculation of open trend and candle based feeble levels. So you will understand. Now look this one, our next trade of crush 500. Look here, very awesome signal. RSI MACD also told that market is going to buy, and look from this point, RSI MACD all confirmation, and look how much is 500 and something plus. And look the profit. Look here, the crush and boom trades running in profit. So this is very easy and accurate system. Our team developers developed a good and awesome thing. You guys will enjoy this system. Very easy to use and very accurate system. You just simply need to follow the trend and trade. The pivot level will give you the instruction, and the trend line will be show you the, and RSI will help you to take trade in right way. Thanks for watching Trading Talk.